Baby, how does the butanding eat its food?
Hello guys! Welcome to the Fiesta Life. Today's adventure will be swimming with the whale sharks in Oslob. Although controversial, I think this should be in your to-do list when visiting Cebu. We left our hotel at 4:30 in the morning. It takes around 2 to 2.5 hours to get to Oslob from Moalboal. We paid around 3,700 pesos for this activity. This covered our transportation to Oslob and back to our hotel, as well as all the fees that we needed to pay in order to swim with the whale sharks. Once we arrived in Oslob, our guide walked us to the registration desk. Before swimming with the whale sharks, it is mandatory to listen to a short orientation regarding the do's and don'ts when swimming with these majestic creatures. A life jacket must be worn at all times when swimming with the whale sharks, but a lot of people break this rule. Please, don't be like them. The life jacket is for your safety. You can use the snorkel set that is provided free of charge, or you can bring your own set to use. A small boat that's called a bangka will bring you further into the ocean where the whale sharks gather. We were only allowed 30 minutes to swim with the whale sharks. Although it may seem like a short time, it is more than enough to experience the beauty of these sea creatures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.